Willy Wonka is a fictional character who appears in British author Roald Dahl's 1964 children's novel Charlie and the Chocolate Factory and its 1972 sequel Charlie and the Great Glass Elevator. He is the eccentric owner of the Wonka Chocolate Factory. Wonka has been portrayed in film multiple times. In 1971, Willy Wonka was portrayed by Gene Wilder in Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory. Wilder's portrayal is considered widely beloved and one of his greatest roles. Johnny Depp's portrayal of the character in 2005's Charlie and the Chocolate Factory polarized critics and audiences. Both Wilder and Depp received Golden Globe nominations for their performances. Wonka will next be portrayed by Timothée Chalamet in an origin prequel film titled Wonka, scheduled for release in 2023. In Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, Wonka has hidden 5 golden tickets inside his chocolate bars. The finders are rewarded with a tour of his factory, each accompanied by an adult of their choice and a lifetime supply of chocolate. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.